So you're Dandre Buitt, and we are here in cause number 22-41150. We began a hearing yesterday. The state has filed a motion. I'm sorry. Let me get back on track here. The defense, Mr. Kelly, has filed a motion asking that a writ asking that I set a bond in Mr. Buitt's case. He is on probation in cause number 22-41150 and on probation for let me get this pulled up. All right, now it's taken one slow. So there's a first amended motion to revoke unadjudicated probation that's been filed by the state. There was some evidence yesterday, just with regard, I think the probation officer primarily was here. Is that as far as we got?
I think that's all we got.
And we reset the hearing today so that the state would have a witness to authenticate at least some part of it. I think there was a 911 video and 2 body cams that the state wanted to play for the court. And I do think, while again, we talked about this yesterday, there's the rules are a little bit lax. I still do believe though we need a little more testimony with regard to that too, so that I can watch anything or listen to anything that the state is requesting. It looks like the motion, which we haven't gone through at all, this is just a request for a bond. Mr. Buitt, again, is on probation for evading arrest or detention with the use of a motor vehicle. That was an 8-year deferred probation. He was placed on that September 13th of 2023. And the bond currently is set at $800,000. No. The bond in the new cases, there's an aggravated assault, and that case has an $800,000 bond.
Right. If I may,
There's no bond in the motion to adjudicate.
it's not been set yet.
Correct.
Right.
Okay.
The court's our belief was a bond was not going to be set in the NTRP case until Mr. Buitt placed himself in custody. He did that, and I believe basically simultaneously, we also filed the request for the bond to be set, and then the court set us for this hearing.
Okay.
So we're asking for the bond to be set in the NTRP. We're asking through our writ in the new indictment for that bond to be set at a reasonable.
To reduce that bond.
Yes.
Okay. And the state filed a reply, and I have that and have reviewed it. And so this time, Mr. Coleman, does the state have a witness?
Yes, Your Honor. State calls Shayla Rawls.
Shayla Rawls. Excuse me, y'all. Good afternoon, ma'am. Could you please raise your right hand? Do you swear from the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Thank you. You can have a seat. Yes, sir.
Mr. Rawls, thanks for being here this afternoon. Your testimony, quite honestly, will be brief. We just need you to authenticate or sponsor this 911 call that is on this USB drive that I am marking as State's Exhibit Number 1. This court has heard testimony in other cases about the reliability. May I approach them?
Yes, you may.
Of the recording equipment there at dispatch, so I'm not going to go into that. But have you found the recording equipment there at the 911 dispatch to be reliable yourself?
Yes, sir.
And it works essentially automatically when the emergency call comes in. Right?
Yes, sir.
And do you have any reason to believe that back on February the 1st of this year in the early morning hours, that equipment was not properly operating.
He was working.
Okay. And you've had an opportunity to listen to State's Exhibit number 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any reason to believe that State's Exhibit number 1 is not a fair and accurate copy of the emergency phone call that was made in this case back on in the early morning hours of February the 1st of 2026?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, in the interest of clarity and full disclosure, this is just a snippet of that 911 call. It's on this USB drive, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but nevertheless, albeit it's still a fair and accurate snippet of that 911 call.
Yes, sir.
Judge, state offer states, well, no, I'm not going to offer anything. That's all the questions I have for this witness, Judge.
All right, Mr. Kelly, any questions?
It's not a cross-examination, but ma'am, I guess it operates the same way, ma'am, or dire this witness.
Yeah, sure.
Ms. Rawls, when did you listen to the exhibit that Mr. Coleman just passed me, State's Exhibit number 1?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yes, sir.
You weren't the dispatcher that took that phone call?
No, sir.
Thank you.
All right, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else, Mr.
No,
Kelly?
Judge.
Any objection to Ms. Blewett being excused?
No, Judge.
Thank you, ma'am. You may call your next witness.
State calls Thomas Markle.
Thomas Markham.
Thomas?
Good afternoon, sir.
How are
Could
you?
you please raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. You can have a seat. You'll just kind of pull that microphone over, make sure we can all hear you. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Officer Markham, would you please state your full name for the record?
Thomas Cason Markham.
And Officer Markham, I just need brief testimony from you to authenticate or sponsor the 911 call that was made in this case. You had an opportunity to review this 911 call, correct?
Yes, sir.
Well, no, I take that back. That was the previous witness, the 911 call. You were equipped with body-worn camera equipment the day that you made that you arrived on scene in this particular case, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and that body-worn camera, did it capture the individuals in the events as they occurred or transpired there at the scene in this particular case?
Yes, sir.
Any reason to believe that your body-worn camera was not operating properly?
No, sir.
You as the operator could properly operate it?
Yes, sir.
You've had an opportunity to review State's Exhibit number 1, this USB drive that I'm holding?
I have.
May I approach the witness, Judge?
What was the 911?
It's all on State's 1. They're
Okay,
spliced together, little snippets of it,
okay,
which is why I'm proving it up the way I'm proving it.
okay.
You had an opportunity to review State's Exhibit number 1 as indicated by your initials here, correct?
Yes, sir.
While it is just a portion of the larger body cam video, nonetheless, is it a fair and accurate portion of that body cam camera?
Yes, sir.
No operations, no deletions.
No.
Your Honor, that's all the questions I have for this particular witness.
Can you just, and I might have missed it, go back to the date of all of that, make sure.
Judge, it was, I think it happened.
I don't know the question of him.
February the 1st of 2026 in the early morning hours. I do believe that 911 call could have come in just before it rolled over into.
No, just for authentication of
Okay.
when he was there and where this took place. I think it's important.
Yes, ma'am. The location that you responded to that day, do you have that there in front of you on your report? Did you look at your report?
I do not. It's on South 7th Street, though.
Here,
I believe 2955.
would it help to refresh your recollection if I showed you a copy of your report?
Yes, sir.
All right.
And he did give the address.
Okay. There you go. I mean, the address should be in there somewhere.
Yeah.
What was that address?
2955 South 7th Street. It's around 12:30 a.m.
That's all I have for this witness.
Thank you, Mr. Kelly.
I'd like to voir dire the witness, but I don't know if the state intends to ask further questions of this witness after the video comes in, or how the court would require me to reserve my cross. I doubt the court would
I
stop
don't,
me from recalling him if we need
no,
to.
we can keep them if you need to. I think the state's position is that without testimony, it's just for me to watch the video itself. So if you have questions, you can go ahead and ask those
Thank you,
questions.
Judge. Officer Markham, good afternoon. Can you identify all of the people contained in this video?
Yes, sir. I could.
What are their names?
There is Alondra Cantu, Dandre Buitt. I guess I can't remember their daughter's name, but all the officers on scene, I know them.
Who are the other officers?
Officer Robinson, Barnett, Stevenson, Nix, Jansen, Sergeant Froman showed up as well.
Okay. Are there any other people on this video who are visibly, you can see them or hear them, that you did not identify?
Yes, it was
Okay, thank you, officer.
Dandre's friend.
I have no further questions, Judge Stewart.
All right. Any objection to Officer Markham being excused?
I'd like him to stick by unless he's got a shift to get back to. I'm sure he,
This won't take long if you'll just wait outside just for a few minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
State calls Joshua Robinson. It's actually Robinson, I believe.
Okay.
That in the end. We'll clear that up.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
You'll please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you, sir. You can have a seat. You may proceed.
Would you please state your full name for the record?
Joshua Caleb Robinson,
And that's Robinson with no N, right?
just one at the end.
Just one at the end, okay. And I just need some brief testimony from you about your body worn camera from the call that you made back on February the 1st of 2026 when you were dispatched to 2955 South 7th Street in Beaumont. Your body worn camera, was it properly operating that day?
Yes, sir.
You as the operator, you're certainly capable of properly operating that equipment?
Yes.
The events that transpired and that you observed when you made the scene that day, were they captured on that body worn camera?
Yes.
And may I approach the witness?
You may.
And you had an opportunity to review State's Exhibit Number 1, right?
Yes.
And I'm running out of real estate here, but there's a post-it note, or portion of a post-it note on here that has your initials and the date on it, right?
Yes.
What does that signify?
That I have reviewed it and verified with
And
Speak up, I'm sorry. Sir, can you speak up?
that I have reviewed it and initialed it.
Thank you.
And in your review, and I've made the court aware that this is just a portion of the overall video, but in your review of that portion of your video, was it a true and accurate copy that appeared to be unaltered or no deletions made, other than it being, kind of just a portion of it selected? Did it appear to be altered in any other way?
It did not appear to be altered.
Okay. Now, at this time, I would offer State's Exhibit Number 1.
Any objection?
Any questions, Witness?
You may.
Thank you. Officer Robinson, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You watched this video and listened to this audio today or yesterday?
Today.
About how long ago?
Very recently.
Okay. Within the last hour?
Yes.
Okay. Can you identify all of the voices and people on this video?
As far as the officers,
Can you identify every person and every voice that's contained in this video?
Yeah.
That's what it's.
State Officer, State 1, Judge.
Objective states one judge will read the state to lay a proper foundation even under the relaxed rules of this hearing.
It's never necessary for the witness to identify each and every voice that's on the recording, Judge.
Overruled. States 1 is admitted.
May this witness be excused.
Any objection to Officer Robinson being excused?
Again, I expect that the rest of this to be brief, if he wouldn't mind sticking around for a moment, just to be sure.
Sure, sir. If you'll just step outside for a minute, we might need you to come back in. We'll let you know as soon as we know.
Yes,
We
sir.
won't take long.
Thank you, Officer.
Commissioner Bowles, sure.
Yes, sir.
Because someone has to follow up. You my mom is crying, no, do you know the address? No. No? Okay. How many people are there? No. My mom is crying. Your mom crying? My mom is my room. Okay. You don't know the address? No, we don't know it. From all of them? No, I need to grab it for them. No, you did grab it. You thought someone was a gun? Yes. It's going to my mother, but my mother said, she said, please. I don't want to. I'm crying and I want somebody to take care of my mama's friend and her dad. So early, but her friend could take care of me. And I didn't. Because I looked to my mom, so I prayed, so if I keep quiet, you hear me? Yeah. Are you saying? How old are you again? How old are you again? Okay, you're doing a very good job calling this in, okay? Well, listen, I have some help that's gonna come. Do you live in an apartment or do you live in like a house? I live in a house. Is it a house? Okay. Okay. And so you did see someone that had a gun, right? One of the boys had a gun? It's a boy. The boy, okay. He lied because he tried to. He was tired and my father told him to try to. Okay. So, right, I know, okay. So, and the boy that has the gun, is he like a black man or a white boy or can you tell us? He's a black man? Okay. Can you tell us what color shirt he has on? White. Okay, so the one with the white shirt. The one with the white shirt, what color is his pants? Here, the one with the white shirt on, what color is his pants? I can hear, but listen to me. The one with the gun, the white shirt, what color is his pants? Blue pants? With a belt? Is it like a long gun or a short gun? Is it like a long gun or a short gun? Police house, like a shotgun? Okay. Oh, okay, I got you. Okay, so then the other guy that's there, he's a black man too? What color shirt is, what color is his shirt and pants? Hands up now. I'm sure. You're gonna do me now. I'm good. Keep your hands where you can see. What's going on in here? It's commotions. It's commotion. I see. Drop your cigarette. You're gonna be detained. Drop it. Here's money back on this thing. We got one exam and I ain't got this much. Let's go. Somebody in there got a gun? Yeah. Somebody in there got a gun? Did somebody have a gun in there? Oh, get out of the front. Yes, sir. Hands all in. There's a gun in there. There we go.
I'm still here fighting, and here we guys go. But false injury. Police department, tell me right now, put your hands up. I see the gun, put your hands up. Motherfucker, won't give me, you're gonna get shot and killed. Won't charge me down. Who else is in there? Who else is in there, man? Stand up. You can tell he's on top again. Is he here? He's here again? Oh no. It's hard. You want to say it? No.
As this hearing comes to a close, one thing is crystal clear. This wasn't a trial to decide guilt or innocence. It was a bond hearing where the judge had to weigh public safety, the seriousness of the allegations, and the defendant's legal rights. After reviewing the evidence, including the disturbing 911 call and body camera footage, the court reduced the original $800,000 bond, but still set two separate bonds of $500,000 each, along with strict conditions like house arrest, GPS monitoring, and absolutely no contact with the alleged victims. This case is far from over. The real battle will happen at trial, where every piece of evidence will be challenged and every witness questioned. Until then, remember that these are allegations, and under the law, every defendant is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in court. What do you think? Did the judge strike the right balance between protecting the community and respecting the defendant's rights? Or should the decision have been different? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy detailed courtroom breakdowns like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next case.